Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The DJI Avata is an FPV drone that's small, lightweight, and is a ton of fun to fly. It comes with a 4K camera and gimbal stabilization that are both ideal for beginners who want to learn how to fly drones or for people who want to race and do acrobatic maneuvers. The drone has a sleek design that looks like the head of a bird with big eyes and a beak. With it, you get goggles that let you see what the drone sees in real time through its 180-degree wide-angle lens. The goggles have diopter adjustment so you can see clearly no matter how bad your vision is. You can also attach them to the remote controller or mount them on your helmet. The camera on the DJI Avata has 12 megapixels and can record 4K video at 60 FPS or 7K video at 120 FPS. It also has HDR video capture, which makes your footage look better by showing more detail in bright areas and shadows. The camera uses a fixed focus lens, so what you shoot will always look sharp even if it's dark out. There's also a plastic guard around the camera that you can take off when flying. A drone as fast as this needs powerful motors to keep it steady while flying through the sky. So, DJI put 4 brushless motors on it to make sure it stays smooth no matter what speed you're going at. The drone has 3 different flight modes: Sport mode for fast and agile flying, Normal mode for balanced flying, Manual mode for control over everything from speed, altitude, direction, and camera angle. It also has GPS positioning system, so it knows where home is if it loses connection or power. DJI says the Avata will fly for about 18 minutes when using its built-in battery pack, but up to 30 minutes with a separate battery pack that you attach to the bottom of it. It can reach distances of up to 1 kilometer in sport mode or up to 500 meters in normal mode. DJI is advertising the Avata as one of the lightest drones, weighing only 410 grams without any accessories or batteries attached to it. This makes it so that you don't have to register it with the FAA and get a pilot license for most other countries. According to DJI, anyone who wants to have fun with drones without spending too much money or space on them should take a look at the Avata. The drone will suit people interested in FPV racing or acrobatic flying, as well as users who just want cool photos and videos from above. The Parrot ANAFI drone is one of the most advanced FPV drones on the market. It has a 4K camera with HDR video capture, a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system that reduces shake and wobble, an upward tilt function that allows it to capture aerial shots from above, and a hyperlapse mode that creates time-lapse videos with smooth transitions. The drone is resistant to meet the challenges of the most complex missions and can withstand temperatures of up to 50 degrees Celsius and winds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. The Parrot ANAFI drone also has a sleek design that makes it easy to carry around in its compact carrying case. The Parrot ANAFI drone is ideal for beginners who want to learn how to fly FPV drones in various scenarios. It has a user-friendly app that guides you through tutorials and settings options. It also has obstacle avoidance sensors that help you avoid collisions with objects or other drones. The Parrot ANAFI drone can fly up to 25 minutes on a single charge and has a range of up to 1 kilometer. It weighs only 340 grams, making it light enough for FAA registration. The GEPRC Mark V drone is a freestyle drone offered in both analog and HD digital FPV versions. The drone is built with a wide X-arm design, specially made for freestyle flying. This wide design gives the drone extremely agile handling and fast response times. With newly designed battery cases and aluminum standoffs, grommet sizing for GoPro mounting, DJI O3 camera system recording 4K 60 FPS videos, SpeedEX14, 44,500 kV motors, this drone offers immaculate performance. Built to handle complex missions in harsh environments, this drone doesn't let bad weather or extreme heat get in its way. It has an automatic return home feature that'll take it back to where it started if battery levels get critical. It also has a control range of 4 kilometers and can fly up to a maximum of 25 minutes with one charge. Great for personalizing how you operate your drone using iOS and Android devices, as well as developing new units. The Ground SDK can definitely be useful during flight sessions. The GEPRC Mark V drone was meant for acrobatic flying and bando bashing while keeping high video quality in mind so all your clips come out stunning. Small and tough, the GEPRC Cinelog25 V2 drone is a Cinewhoop that has the DJI O3. With this, you can capture 4K images at up to 120 FPS in 10-bit D-Log, either stabilized in real time or post-production with gyroscope data. It's pretty versatile as it supports a 4S battery, 660 to 850 mAh, for flight times from 4 to 6 minutes, and is built to carry a small action camera. It's equipped with a Taker G435 AAIO flight controller that provides improved computing power. You can use it in extreme temperature and bad weather conditions, making it the perfect tool for complex missions. The drone also comes with an automatic return to home when the battery level becomes critical. It's compatible with Ground SDK, which allows us to develop iOS and Android apps so they can be personalized management of the drone and development of new units. All in all, if you're looking to get those cinematic shots from unreachable places, then this is your guy. The Holystone HS360S drone is a hobbyist drone that does not require FAA registration and remote ID. It features a 4K camera, brushless motors, 3 km relay image transmission, optical flow positioning, GPS intelligent assistant flight, and multiple auto-shooting modes. The drone has a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor that captures stunning 3,840 into 2160 pixel photos and 4K videos. The drone weighs less than 250 grams and offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. The drone has a flight time of 20 minutes per battery and a 9,850 feet relay image transmission range. The drone has powerful brushless motors that provide stability in flight. The drone features precise GPS positioning, providing not only stable flight but also a safe return home. This GPS drone can perform return home function to find its way back to you when battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The drone is perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. The target audience for this drone is hobbyists who want to capture high-quality aerial footage.